Good news, most of the spoilers for February 2023 IPSY GLAM BAG PLUS are from cruelty-free brands. First up, we have from Beauty Bakery the Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette. This is 12 shadows and this has a value of $38. It does contain talc if that is concerned to you, and it does have foils, mattes, and duochromes in there. Luna Magic lip pencils, those are also on the list. I could not find those still available though. Again, another cruelty-free brand is Biossance Kiwi Detox Gel Cleanser. I would like to try this one. This has a value of $38 for 2.19 ounces. It is also mineral oil free. The skin types that this one is for is normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive, so covering a wide variety of skin types. And the skincare concerns are acne, blemishes, oil control, dull and uneven tones. Well, the skincare, most of my skin concerns are dryness or wrinkles, so I mean, I would try it, but yeah, maybe that wouldn't be the best one for me to try, but it just seems like it says it's a hydrating gel foam facial cleanser packed with vitamin C, rich kiwi, crisp apple, and triple acid complex. I could not find any reviews on it or anything where it said if there's a scent or not. I would have to assume with those ingredients there is going to be a citrus scent, but don't know. And yes, another mascara. This is from Dime, which I've never heard of that brand. This is a volumizing mascara. It has a retail of $22, and it says that the key benefits, oh, also this is vegan. The key benefits is a tapered brush to easily build lashes. It's supposed to go on smooth without smearing, and it is not supposed to clump or flake. And this is another one where the name, it just sounds so, I want to try this. From Saturday Skin, number one, I want to try more from that brand, but Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Hello, doesn't that sound like it would just be so cooling and hydrating? That has a value of $25 for 1 fluid ounce, or they also do sell a $39 one, which is 1.69 fluid ounce. So not sure which one would be considered the full size that they would include. I would assume that it would be the $39 one that would be included in the bag. This is made to combat dullness and uneven texture and the pores. Listen to this. It says it has hydrating Iceland moss extract to help soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. I mean, hello, like, yes, I am a marketer's dream, because I mean, how can you listen to that description and not say, yes, I want to try it? If you have dry skin, yes, sign me up. A brand that is unfortunately not cruelty-free, that is the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. And yes, I try to go cruelty-free, but I always like to try essences. This has a value of $35 for 3.4 fluid ounce. It says that it is for all skin types, and I think most of the essences that I've tried so far is like the kind you just pour out and either put on a cotton round or just on your palm and then pat it in. But this one is a spray. It says hold the bottle about 6 inches away from your face, so it sounds like how you would use the application of a setting spray. It sounds like that. This is for all skin types. I can't remember if I said that. It is made to hydrate, protect, and boost your skin cells. Also, the bag design, look at what we have here. Of course, it's pink, so I like it. It reminds me of candy for some reason when I look at it, kind of like toffee, like how it's pulled. And it says, I think that says self-love is the only love or the one love. Can't quite make it out on there, but very happy with the bag design this month. And the Glam Bag Plus does retail for $29.99, and you do get 5 full-size products in that. Also, if we're just meeting for the first time, hello, my name is Staci. This is STACILEA Beauty. And just to let you know, I am in my mid-40s and I put out multiple videos a week. And what do you think of the bag design? I like it. If you want to see the spoilers for the base bag, you can click on this video here. If you want to see the spoilers for the Glam Bag X, you can click on this video. And if neither one of those videos interest you, but you want to see what I got in my bag February of 2022, you can click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and then I'll see you again. Thanks. Bye.